Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about two important latest off-campus hiring opportunity from Deloitte. So I will cover all of the opportunities that I have from Deloitte, and also we have couple of opportunities from EY and IBM. So I will cover all of the opportunities. I just want you to don't skip any part of this video, otherwise you can miss out any opportunity. First opportunity we have from Deloitte for the role of associate analyst. They are hiring for the location of Hyderabad, Telangana for this job role. And if you see the qualification and experience requirement, both fresher and experienced candidates are eligible. As you can see that they have mentioned BCom with 0 to 1.8 year of experience candidate can apply for this opportunity. Okay, and apart from that, you should be good in communication and you can work in team and independently, as they mentioned here, ability to work effectively both independently as a member of team. Okay, location will be Hyderabad for this job role, and work timing will be 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. You can say that you are going to work in evening shift. So I will suggest you to apply this opportunity on urgently basis, because this is an associate level position. If you don't know anything that is mentioned here, just ignore that, because associate level position is a very entry level position, so you don't have to worry about anything. Then we have opportunity from Deloitte for the role of consulting analyst for SAP technology, and they are hiring for the location of Bangalore, and you will be designated as an analyst for this job role. And here is the job request ID. If you want, you can get a referral on LinkedIn from someone who have already working in Deloitte. Okay, so basically this opportunity is for the candidate who have some knowledge in SAP and who also have some experience in SAP technologies. So if you have, you can simply apply for this opportunity as well. Then we have opportunity from EY. They are hiring for the role of analyst. They are hiring for the role of business consulting risk analyst, and work location will be Bangalore. And this opportunity is for fresher and experienced candidates as well. Experienced candidate who have experience up to 1 year. And here is the request ID, job request ID. You can get a referral for this job also from LinkedIn, who from the employee. Those who already working in EY. Okay, and the qualification requirement for this job role is, first of all, you should have a bachelor degree in commerce, management, accounting, finance, economics, or other graduation stream or related discipline. Okay, like computer science or EC is also eligible, as they also mentioned here. Other graduation streams or related disciplines are also eligible. Okay, so if you are a fresher and if you have experience up to 1 year, you are eligible for this opportunity. You can apply. Then we have opportunity from IBM for the role of process associate learning. This is an entry level position for fresher candidate. You will get work location in Bangalore. This is a full time opportunity, and here is the required technical and professional expertise requirement. So you can have only 0 to 1 year of experience in learning admin, customer relationship management, business admin, or related field will be preferred. Okay, these are the tools that you should be proficient, or you should have experience like Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, MS Word, G Suite. And apart from that, you should have good communication skill in English. Okay, presentation skill is also required, time management skill is also required, and demonstrating knowledge is also required here. Problem solving analysis skill is also required. Okay, if you are interested, you can simply apply for this opportunity as well. Then we have a very good opportunity from KPMG. They are hiring for the role of technology consulting analyst. This is also for the candidate who have knowledge and experience in SAP technologies, and you will get work location in Gurugram. And here is the qualification. You should be fresher and you should have knowledge in RPA, SAP core processes. As I already mentioned, SAP knowledge is required here. JavaScript knowledge is required here, and ABAP knowledge is also required here. Okay, if you know these SAP tools and technology, you can simply apply for this opportunity, and designation will be analyst. Okay, then we have opportunity from Ola. They are hiring for the role of backend developer SD1 and SD2. And here is the preferred skills, and here is the responsibility. Here is the minimum qualification. First of all, you should have bachelor degree in computer science or any related technical field. You can have experience from 1 to 5 years. So you can say that this opportunity is only for experienced candidates. And apart from that, you should have TDD and BDD knowledge in testing. If you don't know what is TDD and BDD, let me explain. TDD stands for test data driven, and BDD stands for behavior data driven. Okay, these technologies are using in manual testing or automation testing. So if you have, you can apply. Okay, you should have experience in one of programming language like Java, Golang, Scala, and apart from that, you should have these version control tools knowledge also, like Git or Jira. Okay, and AWS and Azure knowledge is also required here. So if you have, you can simply apply for this opportunity. Here is the Google form, you can fill out. Okay, and all of the opportunity that I have discussed in this video, you will get links in the description. You can apply. Till then I will get new opportunity for you. And one more thing guys, we are putting lot of effort to get these opportunities on regular basis. Just hit the like button and subscribe channel to get latest update on urgent basis. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.